my friend who is like a wine connoisseur recommended this Pinot Noir as my favorite kind of wine, but this Meiomi, I think is how you pronounce it. And they have it at Costco. All right, so I picked up Meiomi. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Meiomi?
I think it is Meiomi. You got it. I also got some Greg Norman Pinot Noir, just because it's Greg Norman. You gotta support your fellow golfers. You want some chocolate cake?
No, I don't want it.
Oh, we always get our tri-tip when we get here. Pumpkin pie. First ingredient pumpkin, second sugar. I have a pumpkin pie recipe on LiveLeanTV. You guys should check that one out. Make it yourself. Simple, easy, delicious. Said it before, I've said it again. I wish they had wild salmon here. Come on. All right, so here's all the food we got. Let's show you individually what we purchased. First up, ground beef in bulk, organic eggs. How many is that? That's 48 eggs. Got apples, type of apples. Sweet tangos, coconut water for those tough stair sprints when it's all sweaty. Cauliflower, Brussels for the muscles. Unsweetened almond milk for those power smoothies. Big bag of onions because onions make any food taste better. Got some.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode. Organic chicken sausages, one of my favorite foods. Avocados, organic ground beef. Pickles, I find, gives good flavor to like any salads or any kind of bland meal. Big bag of flax seeds. You know we like that seasoned tri-tip from Costco for the slow cooker. We actually found a huge thing of Mrs. Dash spice. This is the garlic herb, salt-free. Broccoli. Got some pumpkin seeds to add to salads for a healthy source of fats. Spinach, because you know we love our spinach. Add it to any salad, any omelet, power smoothies. Got that peanut butter. I was just looking at that. I thought I bought almond butter, but you bought this too, did you?
Oh yeah.
Okay, almond butter to come. And like I said, I found that wine that I like. So some Pinot Noir is my favorite type of wine. There's my almond butter. Chia seeds. And we found hemp seeds at Costco, which is pretty cool. We got some tuna for just a quick source of protein when needed. Organic frozen blueberries. Organic frozen dark cherries. Some fresh blueberries. Coconut oil. Olive oil. Got some organic chicken in there. So there you go, guys. That's how we restock the kitchen, the fridge, the cabinets, real foods, and bananas. Of course, bananas. Hopefully your guys' grocery hauls are looking just like this. That's how you live lean.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They